I am designing a sneaker logo in just 10 minutes from a random AI brief to final logo. This is today's client brief. Sneaker brand name is Stride, youth audience, bold and fast. Let's take some inspirations from Pinterest and Google. I'm only taking vibes, not copying. Meanwhile, if you liked any images, just right click on the image and save it wherever you need to access from later. Let's jot down some points and scratch logo first on the paper. The client also recommended that the icon can be speed or wings. After so many revisions, I like S with wings. Let's search font family which recognize bold, energetic and movement. Gotham font is perfect for me. Now the real challenge begins. Time starts now. 10 minutes, no edit. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Right click on letter and go to create outline. Place the image of wings on the screen. Just embed the picture and crop the image whichever you need it. Just go to image trace and trace the image. Go to expand and ungroup. Delete the left side of the image. Right click on the image, go to transform and reflect. Select on vertical and click on copy. Holding shift, move the image. I need letter S small. Holding Alt, create a duplicate, go to reflect and vertical. Decrease the size of S. Select all the three images and align vertically or horizontally. If any glitch is found, click on the image and with the help of arrow keys, just move the image on 5 or 10 counts. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Click on the image and align centrally. This shape works well on sneakers. I am keeping it simple so it scales. Oh, I have 6 minutes now. If I don't finish before the timer ends, I lose. Would you approve this logo for sneakers? Comment yes or no in the comment box. As client requested to visual presentation in black and white, so let's do it. We have lot of time, so align it properly. I did not get any mock-up for this, so used vector images just for presentation. Click on the vector image, crop the unwanted part, zoom the image and place the logo wherever you need the perfect place. We have still more time, so align it properly. Again, look how to insert image on the vector image. Insert logo on the vector image. The timer has not ended up there yet. This is the complete view of the presentation. On Wednesday, I will review and improve this logo. We still have 3 minutes 4 seconds. So I was telling on Wednesday I will review and improve this logo. If interested to see the new version of this logo, just follow SGraphicDesign. I think the logo is completed. Presentation is completed. Hope you liked it. And if you need the new version, please check on Wednesday. Thank you for watching.